back to sensory class. Now, how often has your baby or toddler got hold of a tissue box or a baby wipe box and started happily pulling them all out, all over the floor? Well, quite often probably. It seems to be a really natural exploratory action that babies have a need to do. So we're going to develop some ideas for making some objects where babies can do exactly that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My boys are going to get involved and we'll show you the results. So the whole point of this activity is to actually encourage children to explore that pulling action. So we found lots of materials like, we've got some ribbons, yeah, lots of bits of ribbons, bits of string, old shoelaces, and
cups.
We've got some cups, some paper cups.
Yeah.
We found some cardboard tubes with lids on. It's actually quite a nice object just to play with on its own, isn't it, that one? You could use things like a margarine tub with a lid on it. That would be really good.
Yeah.
Any kind of boxes and shapes. You'll see what we're doing with them, and you can experiment
like this one.
like that one, and you can experiment with your own ideas. So with something like this cardboard tube, sorry, what we're going to do is make holes all the way over it. Now the way I found to make quite easy holes is to use a screwdriver and just carefully make puncture holes all the way around. So you could do that wherever you want. I've also put one on the top. Now what I'm going to do is have a piece of ribbon. There's a piece of ribbon over here.
Why do you need a piece of ribbon?
Oh, well, what we're going to do is make a toy that involves the pulling action. So we're going to thread that, first of all, through that little hole that I've made.
Is it tricky?
It is a little bit tricky. I would say a grown-up needs to do this particular part of it, but you can always help and watch and learn, that's fine.
Yes.
Now what I'm going to do is knot it several times so that it doesn't go back through that hole. I'm also going to knot it on the other end as well.
Why?
Well, if I don't knot it this end as well, it will actually just pull all the way through and get lost. So I want to be able to keep the ribbon in and out of the hole.
Yes.
So I'm going to pull it back through, and then I'm going to put it into...
That'd be quite tricky, mustn't it?
A little bit, yeah. But the idea is you'll get the ribbon inside, and then a baby or a toddler can pull. Now you can really go to town with this idea and have, as I said, ribbons coming out everywhere so they can pull it. You can also extend the idea and do something like this. Now this is an old cardboard box which I've made holes all the way over.
Why did you put black sellotape on it?
Well, I was going to decorate it actually, so I had some black tape and I put it all over it, and then I could decorate it further with stickers and things like that. It'd be nice to have some gold sparkly shapes or something on it. There's also a rather handy sneaky hole there, which I put objects in.
It's like a cave.
A little bit like a cave, isn't it? So I've got some of these lovely scarves, and I'm going to stuff those in, and then I'm going to prepare the activity by just pushing bits of them up through the holes. Now you can then fill it entirely and then get the children to pull, which is great fun.
The whole thing comes out.
This one's very similar. This is a different size one, and I've got one square hole, just one scarf inside to pull. Okay.
Like the same as the other one.
It is, but you can really have fun actually decorating. Oh, there is another one in there. So you can have fun decorating them as well. You've got that pulling action.